the airbag temperature sensor, so it's make sure the caster does not get too hot. This is a warning for the user.
It's a pressurised vessel, so if you're on a hot day in Spain and you leave your car in the sun, it does get quite hot in the car.
So there isn't that.
Back at what it was before. But it might take some time to heat up again.
Yeah.
Just gonna lower it a bit more and see.
So that's okay.
Change the voltage, just removing that coil through that view. What we're measuring here should be the full size is an on laser. So we've got the laser pointed at this photodiode and we're measuring the voltage. And as you see, as it's moving back and forth, the value is changing. We're going to make color code. So this one is now taking.
Do you think it would destroy it? I mean, it's just that it's a very big battery.
It's not connected.
It should be going.
Yay!
Holy.
Wires, check wires. Unlike any other speeds, we get cavitation, mild cavitation around the propellers. You can see slight bubbling around, which is indicative of cavitation. Speed 1 corresponds to about 0.2 meters per second. Speed 2, just left, corresponds to about 0.4 meters per second, and speed 3 about 0.65 meters per second.
Is the frontal impact, the crash scenario we're going to show you. So we're going to show you a physical demonstration and then show you our analysis of the empirical part of the data. Yeah. Cool. And so there's an example of a frontal collision. So this is the most complex event to kind of analyse because this is hitting the ramp itself and this is coming off the side. Obviously, it came off sideways and then fell into its side first, hence the big change in your Y, and obviously in the Z as well. So it's upside down, so it makes it go up, but that's by getting that direction. So you can tell from this trace that it fell to the right and then landed upside down, as you see from this, and then it settles. But the accelerator settle at a different height because of the angle it's sitting at.
Somebody watching this side and somebody watching this side, and both holding each side.
I can do this if you want, so I can see it. I'll do this first when you can.
Yeah, definitely don't have enough for the motor. Only a blower over.
Like I say, it turned much easier than it did before it snapped.
With a high enough voltage, they're all on, and as the voltage goes down, they switch off one by one.
As you can see from Russell's motion, the device itself doesn't actually inhibit any of the movement, because wherever the leg will go, the device will actually follow on its side. So actually, the user can move it about at an angle, and the device never actually gets in the way.
Now, as well as that, we also have a series connection, the live lines, 2 brown cables, you might be able to see them there. Right? Now that will measure the power, the current that's actually coming in through the main supply, and that is where we actually will make our measurements. Now, here is the regulator we talked about earlier. This is a DC converter, so that we can actually make these measurements and reduce our sample rate to about 2 Hz, something.
So we worked out that this has to have around, I think it's 15 amps AC minimum to be able to measure something. The maximum we can get out of a wall without setting fire to anything is 13 amps. So it supplies a 3-phase load, and that's the current plan around the brown wire. So we think it'll plan up, follow that up.
So that have the meters remotely recording current measurements and assessing the load capacity percentage you're actually using for the household to measure. That was then getting transmitted to the internet. The user could access these graphs whenever they so please from any device.
Kevin.
We're just changing the threshold now for the thermistor, so that it will turn this temperature of water.
Same time we're working on this. We have change of direction.
As we run some waves here, we have taking the voltage over a 15 ohm resistor. So as we do, I'll read out what we're generating.
Higher speed basically.
So I'm not warming up it up there.
We're trying to do 2 laps of this. I say this afternoon doing this there at once, so I've set up this particular track. You see if we have a calibration, just getting the voltage floor.